The 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 is here to redefine the entry-level commuter segment with a mix of style, efficiency, and reliability that riders have come to expect from Suzuki. This latest model builds on the legacy of the Smash series, offering a lightweight, agile, and easy-to-handle motorcycle designed for daily commuting, urban riding, and occasional longer trips. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2026 version is its modernized design, which combines sleek aesthetics with functional ergonomics to appeal to both young riders and seasoned commuters. From the first glance, the Suzuki Smash 115-4 immediately captures attention with its sharp lines and contemporary styling. The front fascia features a redesigned headlamp setup with a more angular appearance, enhanced by integrated LED lights that offer both improved visibility and a modern look. The front fender is sculpted to reduce drag and provide a sporty stance, while the overall bodywork flows seamlessly from the headlight to the tail, giving the bike a cohesive, streamlined profile. Suzuki has also introduced new color schemes and graphics for 2026, including matte metallic finishes and vibrant contrasting decals, making it easy for riders to express their style. The frame of the Smash 115-4 continues to prioritize lightweight construction without compromising strength or stability. Its steel underbone frame is engineered for optimal balance, making it easy to maneuver through congested city streets while still feeling solid at higher speeds. The ergonomics of the bike are carefully thought out. A comfortable, slightly contoured seat allows both the rider and a pillion to travel without fatigue, while the upright handlebar position ensures relaxed control and excellent visibility on the road. Foot pegs are strategically positioned to provide a natural riding posture, which is crucial for long commutes or extended urban rides. Under the bodywork, the 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 is powered by a refined 113 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, engineered for efficiency and smooth performance. This engine produces around 9.2 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 9.6 Nm of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute, which is perfectly suited for city riding and light highway use. Suzuki has focused on improving fuel efficiency in this generation, and the bike now delivers an impressive fuel economy of approximately 55 to 60 km per liter under mixed riding conditions, making it a highly economical choice for daily commuters. The engine is mated to a 4-speed manual transmission that is smooth, precise, and easy to operate even for beginner riders, ensuring that gear shifts are seamless and responsive. Performance-wise, the Smash 115-4 offers a balance of power and control. Its lightweight construction, combined with the efficient engine, allows it to accelerate quickly in urban traffic without sacrificing stability. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and a twin rear shock absorber system, providing a comfortable ride over uneven roads and potholes. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum combination, delivering reliable stopping power and confidence-inspiring control. Suzuki has also enhanced the bike's handling by optimizing weight distribution, ensuring that the Smash feels nimble during cornering and predictable at higher speeds. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 is its attention to practicality and rider convenience. The bike comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster that displays essential information, including speed, fuel level, odometer, and trip meter. The cluster is compact, clear, and easy to read even in bright sunlight. Another standout feature is the underseat storage compartment, large enough to hold small essentials like documents, a toolkit, or a compact raincoat, which adds an element of everyday utility. The fuel tank has a capacity of 4.2 liters, offering a good range for city rides without frequent refueling stops. In terms of design, Suzuki has ensured that the Smash 115-4 stands out in a crowded segment. Its body panels are not just visually appealing but also designed for durability. The bike's side panels are resistant to minor scratches, and the overall paint quality is enhanced to withstand daily wear and tear. The tail section is sleek, housing an LED tail lamp and clear indicators, while the rear grab rail is ergonomically designed for passenger comfort. Alloy wheels add a touch of modernity while also contributing to reduced unsprung weight, which improves handling and ride quality. For riders looking at cost-effective ownership, the Suzuki Smash 115-4 delivers exceptional value. The estimated price for the 2026 model is around PKR 185,000 to PKR 195,000, depending on the market and variant chosen. Considering the combination of reliability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, this bike is positioned as a highly competitive option in the commuter motorcycle segment. Suzuki's extensive service network and availability of spare parts further enhance its appeal, making it a practical choice for both new and experienced riders. Another area where the Smash 115-4 excels is in its user-friendly maintenance. The engine is designed for durability, with minimal servicing requirements, making it suitable for riders who prioritize convenience and cost-effectiveness. Oil changes are straightforward, the chain adjustment is simple, and the overall mechanical setup is intuitive enough for DIY enthusiasts. The bike's reliability has been enhanced through rigorous testing, ensuring it can handle diverse road conditions without compromising performance. The 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 also places an emphasis on safety. The LED lighting system improves nighttime visibility, while the well-calibrated suspension and braking system ensure stability and control under various riding conditions. The tire profile offers a good grip on urban roads, and Suzuki has made refinements to reduce vibration and enhance ride comfort, particularly on longer rides or uneven terrain. For new riders, the bike offers confidence-inspiring handling, smooth power delivery, and responsive braking, essential factors for everyday commuting safety. In summary, the 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 is a compelling option for anyone seeking a reliable, stylish, and efficient commuter motorcycle. Its lightweight frame, modern design, fuel-efficient engine, and practical features make it an excellent choice for city dwellers and young riders alike. The combination of comfort, ease of handling, and low running costs ensures that it caters to both budget-conscious individuals and those looking for a dependable two-wheeled companion. With Suzuki's reputation for quality and a growing network of service centers, owning the Smash 115-4 is a hassle-free experience. Whether you're navigating through tight city traffic, commuting to work, or enjoying weekend rides, this bike offers a versatile and enjoyable riding experience. Its updated design, improved features, and competitive pricing make it a standout option in the entry-level segment for 2026. For riders who value practicality, the Smash 115-4 offers enough storage space for essential items, while its fuel efficiency and low maintenance needs mean fewer trips to the pump and the workshop. The digital instrument panel, ergonomic seating, and smooth handling add layers of convenience and confidence, making each ride comfortable and enjoyable. In addition, Suzuki's attention to build quality, durability, and overall aesthetics ensures that the bike not only performs well but also maintains its visual appeal over time. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki Smash 115-4 is more than just a commuter bike, it's a thoughtfully designed, efficient, and reliable machine that caters to modern urban riders. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a dependable two-wheeler, the Smash 115-4 delivers a balanced mix of style, functionality, and performance. It stands as a testament to Suzuki's commitment to quality, affordability, and innovation, making it a worthy contender in the entry-level motorcycle market. For anyone considering a new commuter bike in 2026, the Suzuki Smash 115-4 is a choice that promises practicality, enjoyment, and long-term value.